So this is mount. It's called equatorial mount or polar mount. So you have an axis that the thing rotates on, that's parallel to the Earth's axis. The plane of this piece of wood I would describe as the universal solar cooker mount. The plane of this piece of wood is parallel to the plane that would go through the equator. So the plane that would slice the Earth in two at the equator would be parallel to the plane of this surface here. And I'm calling it the universal solar cooker mount because any type of solar cooker that you mount on it and point at the sun, all you have to do is turn it on this surface. So it could be a box cooker on this surface. Just once you have it pointed at the sun, you just rotate it, and that's a lot easier than rotating and adjusting up and down as the sun goes up and down in the sky. And the rotation, this has warped a bit, so I have to redo the entire thing, but the rotation is where it's pointing is pretty unusual. I can't really show it here. Let's see. Oh, maybe I can. So even though it's rotating parallel to the sun, this is how it's pointing. So we'll be pointing like that. And this is because it's 1st of July. It's Canada Day, and the inclination of the sun means that the sun would be that high in the sky during the day. And this is an office chair, a piece of an office chair that I cut up, but other people would probably find that a wheel, like not this wheel but say a wheel from a wheelbarrow or a wheel from a car, would serve the same purpose as this. Just as long as it's sitting on that surface, it will serve as something to rotate your big dish. What else? Yeah, and if you can get something, if your axis that it rotates on is hollow, you could have you could use it for continuous say pasteurization. You could have water going up, being heated and going down, and you could even design it so that you have a bubbling feature in there, like in those little coffee percolator things. So it could be designed so that this heats the water up enough to boil it. It goes down, heats up the water that replaces it. It could be quite the thing if people put their minds to it. But certainly my first attempt. I have a lot of work to do on this. I haven't figured out where to put the bamboo yet to keep it in shape, because this amount of wobble is unacceptable. But this can also be done with you could do flat mirrors on, say, two pieces of ply, one going this way, one going that way, joined up instead of this. There's lots of different ways to do it, and because the thing is modular, so there's each part of it can be replaced by something else. Anyway, universal solar cooker mount. I hope some people try it with their box cookers, etc. Thank you. Bye.